In this video, we have a new toy to play with. Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Guys, I've got a new crawler to go out and have a little play with. Check it out, guys. So it's an across RC, and the person I bought it off done a few little cool scaled details to it. And in this video, we're going to take it out for a little blast and see how good it is. Now, I'm not going to go too hard on it because it doesn't look good, and I want to keep it more as a shelf queen. And size-wise, it's actually pretty big. I mean, it is 1/10 scale, but it is big. And it's got plenty of axle articulation. Subscribe! So it took me a little while to figure out how to get this lid off. This is actually a hard body, and the bed and the cab are actually two separate pieces. So to get inside, it's got these two little latches under here, and then this whole cab unit can just lift off like this. So there's the 2-speed transmission. There's some nice alloy parts, and the battery sits up front here. So I'm running it on one of these Zop Power Lipos. These are dirt cheap, and if you want to know where to get one from, link down below. I think I do need to do a little bit of modification to this though, because it is very leaning. As you put the power on, it tends to lean sort of a bit like a boat. So it's going to need some stiffer springs, maybe stiffer shock oil, maybe even some sway bars. But for now, we're just going to run it as it is. All right, enough waffling. Let's go. All right, on location. Check it out. Look at it eating it up. Oh, your one's eating it up even better. Oh, I'm stuck. Alright, here's a little challenge. Alright, I'm struggling over this bit. Oh, we've done it, we've done it! Oh, not flex this thing, this is more soft. Stuck. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Not easy one-handed, is it?
Edge. Edge.
I was going to try and drive up that.
There's no way in hell you're getting up that.
Just don't know the power of the Sendero.
Isn't it? You have no hope in getting up that, dude. I reckon I've got more hope for this. Oh. Oh, we've got the front up. Oh. Yeah, I don't think it's got enough power. Close though, dude. Oh, broken it.
You ready?
Yeah, look. Got stripes in the front wheel. Oh no. Oh, it's so close, man. I'm going to stop before I break it anymore. Oh!
Oh! Oh, you really? Oh,
uh-oh.
come out.
Oh, guys, this was supposed to be my Shelf Queen one. I've broken it already. Hopefully we can get that back on there. But it is no longer four-wheel drive. Something has gone wrong inside the diff. This wheel isn't four-wheel drive anymore. Alright, let's carry on anyway. Alright, back in the shops, you've seen my biggest crawler, so now let's have a look at my smallest one. So this one here is the Orlando, and guys, it is fully functional. Look at it, it's four-wheel drive, we've got the drive shafts there, we've got 4-link suspension, 2 live axles. It's pretty much the same design as this, but on a much smaller version. Look, it's even got a metal chassis rails, look, just like on a real crawler. Just look how small that is. Oh, tumble wumble. Oh well, at least it now gives us a little look so you can see what's inside. The body just clips on. So this is still a little bit of work in progress. The receiver I've got in here is way too big. It's kind of wedged on the side there, and it means the body doesn't really fit on there properly. It's running a tiny little 2-cell lipo. Look at the size of that little motor. That is it compared to my finger. Look, this is it compared to my little finger. So it does also have headlights, although I've not wired these up yet. By the way, guys, if you want to know more details about this, I've made a video of the full build of this. I'm going to put a link to that up here. And also, if you want to get one, I'm going to put a link down below. So if this one's a little bit too small for you, then maybe this one here could be the ticket. Now, this one here, I would probably say is the most ideal indoor kind of size crawler. It's going to get over your sofa, over some other obstacles that you have around in your house. So let's give this one a quick blast. Oh, that body's too light. Alright, let's try it on something else. No. Battery's gone flat. But anyway, you get the idea. I'm going to put a link down below to where you can get one of these from. Also, I'm going to put a link to a video up here where you can see this thing in action. And it's also got an FPV camera here, look. So you can actually put some goggles on and you can sort of see what the car sees. So that's pretty cool too. So let me know in the comments, what's your favourite size crawler? Oh, subscribe. Oh, look, and here's another size again. So this one here sits in between the big one and this one. And there's also a video about that on this channel. Link to that up here too. So as you can see, I've got a little bit of a crawler addiction going on at the moment. I never really thought I would enjoy crawling. This one here was my first one, and then the rest was history. Oh look, and there's more. Anywho, if you click on one of these videos, I will see you over there in a sec.